I'm Laura Reese, the dental hygienist at Tradewinds Dental. I have been here a little over a year and a half. I drive all the way from Gatesville to work here because I like to work for great people. And, you know, sometimes they're a little harder to find than others. And there's some great dentists out there, but Dr. Hennington is the whole package. He's very personable, he's very caring, not just about your teeth, but about your health. So it's different. It's a different environment. And sometimes that's a little harder to find in a dental office and in a dental employer. Oh, I like him.
Yeah.
Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
Well, you know, I've heard that from everybody.
No.
They just like it. I mean, just
No,
like
but we don't want
everybody.
him to know.
No, but everybody, not just him, but everybody else gets along.
Oh, yeah.
Is that weird or what? Like,
What do I like about working here? That I get to do a lot of different things. In this office, you're not pegged into just doing dental hygiene, cleaning teeth. I actually get to spend time with patients. Dr. Hennington allows us to get to know each patient on an individual level. So we do a lot of interviewing. You know, we get to sit down and actually spend time with the patient. That's different, you know. That's something that, you know, most dentists, you know, it's not a time efficient thing. For me to spend time with that patient just one-on-one, just to talk about just themselves that isn't dental related, you know, sometimes it isn't cost effective, but it's important to our practice. And so that's different. You know, we don't get new patients, we get new friends.